This is the final ride of the elevator at JCPenney, Beaver Valley Mall, Monaca, Pennsylvania. Schindler MT. Going up?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Yep, have a good day. Let's go down to 1. Big cab view. Get a good last look at this cab. 3,500-pound capacity. Here, 1. Let's go back up 2. Let's hear the motor. Here 2. Here's the phone. Let's go down to 1. Door closes, does not work. Here 1. All right, let's hear the motor one more time. Here are 2. Watch it close. And that's it.